Tinibit Bluetooth controller. Let's we introduce ourselves. My name is Hakam Alfatan. You can call me Hakam.
And my name is Aris Kayana Wicaksana. You can call me Aris.
And my name.
Hello everyone. So I would like to explain the project that we are going to make our. So the project is a robot car using a micro. The robot car will be designed to move using the wheels and the motor. The micro will be used as the main controller of the robot. We'll program the micro to the control and the movement of the robot. And then this is the several component. As you can see, I will explain it one by one. So the first is we will use a micro as the main controller, this micro. And then second, we will use DC motor to make the wheels move. And then the third, we will use the wheels, this, so the microbit, so the robot can move easily. We will also use a robot cases as the body of the robot to hold the component. This the blue one. You can see this the body of the car. And then next we will use jumper wires to connect the micro with the other electronic component. This the wires you can see there is green, purple, and orange. And then we will also use the sensor to help the robot detect its surrounding. This the sensor in the ground. And then the last is we will use the battery of the power source to provide electricity to the robot. So the robot can, with these components, we will build a simple robot car that can be controlled and programmed using a micro. Okay, so that's all for the component.
Okay, so I want to explain the item used in the tiny bit block controller. The first there is this dynamo. There is two. This for to drive the wheels, set it move. And the second there is motor driver. And third there is this this the function is to lower the voltage. And there is battery. And this there is IO bit and microbit.
And now I will explain method of Tinibit Bluetooth controller. If Bluetooth on, microbit will show square icon. If Bluetooth connect to the microbit icon, microbit will show happy icon. If Bluetooth disconnect, the microbit will show the no icon. So this is for move to this is code for to move robot. If we save up pins analog, right pins analog pin 1 220, and then pins analog right pin analog pin 12 220. This is from up from motorcycle A and B, and down pins analog right pin analog pin 1 0, pin analog right pin analog pin 920, pin analog right pin analog pin I 0, and pins analog right pin analog pin 12 220. This is from down. This is to down or move back from motorcycle A and B. And right, this analog right pin analog pin 1 220, and pins analog right pin analog pin 8 20 220, pin analog right pin analog pin 9 0, and pin analog right pin analog pin 11. So this is from motorcycle A, and also from motorcycle B is pin analog right, pins analog pin 1, 0, pin analog right, pin analog pin 8, 0, pin analog right, pin analog pin 9, 0, pin analog right, pin analog pin 12, 120. And then first stop, we not give the number because it stop, not move again. Maybe that's all from my for explain the method. And we next to learning objective of 10-bit Bluetooth controller. The primal of the primal goal of creating the tiny bit Bluetooth controller is to build the device for RLC, controlling the tiny bit robot via Bluetooth while simulation, learning about programming, communication, and robotics.
Okay, I think that's all for our video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.